Welcome back to another video. Today we're changing the AC fan on this '09 Ford Ranger. If you want to help out the channel, don't forget to subscribe so we can buy some more tools, so we can get some more, make some more videos from tools. We need more subscribers and more likes. All right, we're changing the fan. I'm actually banging on this because that's the way it used to turn on. So if you bang on it, that's how you know if the fan's wrong with it, if the fan's actually not turning on because it's stuck. By banging it, you create some friction there, and usually it starts right up. But it just got to the point that it just don't want to start anymore, so I had to replace it. So we are replacing that today. First you have to disconnect the AC lines there by lifting the tab. And then with the other one, the other connection from the fan, you do have to lift the tab too. And then you have to take off 5 screws, which I'm taking the top ones off right now. And it's an 8mm, by the way. That's what I'm using now, an 8mm. The bottom ones are a little more challenging to get to, but you know, I just got to do is just work your way around those wires and wiring harnesses. Maybe go through the bottom of those wiring harnesses, make it easier. Then you just remove it. Very simple. Make sure you get all the connections, separate all the connections. And there's a rubber grommet down there that connects to the side of the blower that needs to be removed too. And I'll show you guys at the end of this video what I am talking about. I just ended up deleting the footage, and I do apologize for the sound. My camera did not record the sound, so I'm trying to voice it over because I was talking when I was making this video. Anyways, that's the old fan, as you guys see there. Pretty beat up. It doesn't turn on. It doesn't look burnt or anything, but it just doesn't work, so it's not good anymore. That's the new one right there. We're just unboxing it. That's from AutoZone. It was about $54, so not too bad. And that is the motor with the fan itself, with the reel, or with the fan, with the wheel. Because they do sell just the motor, but I just got everything because I didn't want to mess around with that, taking the other one off and putting the new one back in. But yeah, unfortunately, this one did not have a new seal with it. Usually the ones you get a new seal. I guess it just depends on the store. But I'm going to reuse, since it's just an air vent, I'm just going to reuse the old seal, and I'm just going to put some adhesive on there just to hold it on. Not a lot, just a few drops here and there, just to hold it on while I just put it on, because it's going to go... it's going to get pressure squeezed by the screws anyways. So it'll be in there when I screw everything in there. And make sure you line up the holes with the gasket or the seal. I'm basically reusing the old one, so I know it's torn up already, but you know, I had to do this job right after work, and I needed this truck by the next day, which is Saturday today. I needed to go early in the morning today to work, so I just needed to get this as fast as possible, and that's why I just did it, because I didn't want to make any more trips to AutoZone or anything. So I just decided to use the old one and just get this over with. And if it does give me problems in the future, I can always come back and put a new seal in there. Because it is so easy to take off. It's just 5 screws and 2 grommets, and it's out, you know, no big deal. So if I decide to put a new gasket or a new seal, I can always go back. But yeah, I'm putting that on. I'm putting back the screws. Like I said, the top ones are the easier ones, so I'm just going to put the 2 top ones just to hold it in place so it doesn't flop around all over the place. And then I'm going to put the bottom ones, which are a little bit more challenging. But like I said, if you got smaller hands, it'll work better for you. I got bigger hands, unfortunately, and they're hard to fit in there, but eventually I got them in there. And I'm just gonna screw them halfway, a little bit more than halfway, just to make them a little tighter, so they don't fall out and end up losing them. But I just about halfway or so, and then putting the bottom ones. Like I said, for the bottom ones, I did have to use 2 hands because it's kind of smaller place and really challenging. Same thing with the ratchet. I had to use 2 hands, one holding it and the other one turning. So that's pretty much how I did it. And I did use an extension. It's about a 2-inch extension in a long socket, an 8mm socket. And then I'm tightening up the top ones, make sure everything's snug. Just hand tight, basically. It's not super tight. And then I'm gonna replace the grommets there, the connectors. And like I said, all you have to do is just lift that tab and remove it. It's very easy. I'm gonna reconnect the other one for the AC. As you guys see, that's how it looks installed. That's the old one right there. Sorry about the camera. That's a little closer for you guys. That was actually made in Canada, the one from AutoZone. Those are the connectors. That's what it had it on the original one. On the aftermarket, it did had an extension wire. But yeah, those are the tabs that you lift up and then you just remove. That's how easy it is. Same thing with that one. Just lift the black tab and then just separate. Pretty much. And then you have that rubber grommet on the bottom, which it's like a vent with the rubber band, like a thick rubber band around it. So all you have to do is just put it in the hole. Make sure you just work it around until you get into the hole. It's like another grommet, which is soft. It's easy. It's so easy to put in there. All you have to do is just, push it in with your finger. Once you get it in there, then you have to put that rubber band around there so it doesn't come off with the air pressure. Once you got the rubber band and everything, you can put back the connectors, and pretty much it's all set. And then you can go inside the vehicle and try it out, see if it'll blow some air. And yeah, this ended up blowing a lot of air. I was surprised. It's real strong, running real strong, stronger than the one that I had before. So I'm very happy with this. It's already hot. It's already above 100 degrees here. So I had to get this done today because I had to go work early tomorrow. Anyways, I just wanted to share this with you guys. It's not a perfect video, but it's pretty much what I go through pretty much on a regular basis, a regular day. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, help out the channel, and we'll see you guys on the next one.